Hi guys, if you're searching for the best CPU coolers for the Ryzen 9 7950X3D, you've come to the right place. I've picked the top 3 coolers that offer great performance to keep your 7950X3D running cool. We'll look at a budget-friendly choice, a premium cooler with excellent features, and my top pick that balances efficiency and style. Stick around, and if you find this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more videos, and share your thoughts in the comments below. All the details and prices are in the description. Let's dive in. Number 3. Thermalright Silver Soul 135. Best budget CPU cooler for Ryzen 9 7950X3D. If you're on a budget but still need decent cooling performance for a high-end CPU like the Ryzen 9 7950X3D, the Thermalright Silver Soul 135 will not disappoint you. With the recent rise of the company in the cooling industry, the Silver Soul 135 builds upon this reputation by offering great performance at an affordable price without compromising on the overall build quality. The cooler comes in 2 colors, gray and white. Both of these have the same price, so it's just a matter of personal preference and the aesthetic you wish to go for. A white variant here is very nice to see, atypical of coolers, making it a good fit even for white theme builds. Moving on to the design. This is a dual-tower cooler, making it relatively thick. This helps improve the overall performance and heat dissipation ability of the cooler. Sandwiched between the heatsinks is a single 120mm D12 Pro fan, which comes with PWM support. This allows the fan to adjust its speed automatically based on the overall system load and processor temperature. You can also configure it to run at a fixed speed should you want to. The cooler uses a nickel-plated copper base, which directly touches the processor on your motherboard to dissipate the heat. The heat is transferred through the heatsink via 6 6mm heat pipes on each tower. What's even more nice is the smooth texture of the heatsink fins, making it easier to install compared to rough fins of other coolers, which can be quite uncomfortable to install. In terms of performance, the Thermalright Silver Soul 135 is able to significantly outperform competitors like Noctua U9S, a cooler that's not only more expensive, but comes with a single tower design, and SE904XT from ID Cooling. Silver Soul 135 is able to maintain the temperatures at around 72 degrees Celsius under the Cinebench R23 stress test, which is decent for a budget cooler. However, it is relatively more noisy, coming in at 29.4 decibels. In reference, this means you're able to hear the fan from a distance of around 5 meters, albeit it isn't completely unpleasant. On the pleasant side of the spectrum is the installation. The cooler is very easy to install thanks to the smooth heatsink fins and detailed picture manual for newcomers. While this review targets AM5, you can also use this cooler on older AM4 chipsets, while support for Intel includes LGA 1700 and more. What's great is you'll find accessories for the supported chipsets in the box, be it LGA 1700 or AM4/AM5. Speaking of compatibility, you can use the Silver Soul 135 in smaller cases due to its compact design, even in cases like the Ncase M1. In terms of weight, the cooler is slightly on the bulkier side, thanks to the dual-tower setup, coming at around 580 grams. There's no RGB included, and the stock D12 Pro fan also doesn't offer any such option. All in all, the Thermalright Silver Soul 135 is a solid option for budget builders, offering performance that outmatches that of pricier rivals, and an easy installation setup at the cost of acoustics. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 8 out of 10. Cooling performance, 8.5 out of 10. Noise, 6.5 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8 out of 10. Number 2. NZXT Kraken 360 RGB 360mm. Best premium CPU cooler for Ryzen 9 7950X3D. Gone are the days when you had to sacrifice looks for the sake of performance, or vice versa. NZXT Kraken 360 RGB not only does look great, but it also performs really well, giving you the best of both worlds. RGB? Check. LCD screen? Check. Acoustics? Check. NZXT Kraken 360 RGB ticks all of the boxes with ease. Let's dive deeper to explore them. Starting off with the box and included accessories, the cooler comes with everything you're going to need. Sockets for various chipsets are included with the exception of AMD Threadripper, which it also supports. Along with sockets and cables, it comes with an RGB controller that's used to control the RGB lighting and effects of the fans via the NZXT CAM software. The cooler also comes with three 120mm f120 RGB core fans from NZXT, so it doesn't cheap out there either. Moving on to the design, the cooler is minimal but quite pleasing in looks. It comes in two different colors, matte white and matte black. The pump features an embedded LCD screen that can be customized to show various details via the CAM software. That said, the LCD screen doesn't cover the entirety of the pump, at least not this variant. NZXT offers a Kraken Elite option where the LCD screen is slightly larger, taking up all of the area. As for the radiator, it's made of aluminum with braided nylon tubes that make for a worry-free installation. In terms of performance, the Kraken 360 is an absolute cooling solution. Under extended gaming sessions, the average temperature stays well within 65 degrees Celsius on games that are more CPU intensive, like Cyberpunk 2077. Not only that, it's able to match the performance of the ROG Ryzen 360 at a lower price, while also offering better AMD support and a much nicer looking LCD screen. Additionally, the fans offer an impressive lifespan of 6 years, or around 60,000 hours. The acoustics are also pretty nice, as you're unable to hear the fans up to 1600 RPM. However, anything higher than that makes it more audible, with quite apparent noise at the max speed of 2800 RPM. For installation, the cooler comes with an Intel mounting bracket pre-installed. You'll have to replace this with the included AM5 bracket to pair it with the AMD CPU. To remove the Intel bracket, simply twist the bracket and it should come right off. The overall installation is pretty easy and straightforward. However, if you are a beginner, it can be a little overwhelming since there are a lot of cables included for RGB and power. Fortunately, the manual offers detailed step-by-step instructions that you can reference for help. Furthermore, the cooler support includes Intel LGA 1700 and 1200, along with AMD AM5 and AM4. The NZXT Kraken 360 weighs around 1,560 grams in weight, which is a relatively normal range for AIO coolers. In addition, due to the dimensions of the radiator, you're going to need a full-sized case for this cooler. However, there are smaller radiator options available for compact cases as well. In summary, the NZXT Kraken 360 is a cooler with no compromises, giving you some of the best cooling performance with impressive overall build quality and aesthetics. There's no going wrong with this AIO from NZXT if you have the budget for it. Ratings: Design and aesthetics, 9 out of 10. Cooling performance, 9.5 out of 10. Noise, 9 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Number 1. EVGA CLCX 360mm All-in-One LCD CPU Liquid Cooler. Our top choice. If you're looking for a cooler with the main focus on performance, EVGA CLCX 360mm could be the AIO for you. On top of the amazing performance, you're not losing on the relatively new trend of LCDs and other marketing gimmicks here, which also makes it one of the best options even in the performance and aesthetics category. However, it does only come in a single color. Let's jump into details. The CLCX series was initially launched as EVGA CLX, but eventually renamed to CLCX due to some licensing issues. The cooler is based on Asetek's 7th generation pumps that come with EVGA's hydrodynamic ARGB fans. Inside the box, along with the AIO cooler, you'll find 3 120mm fans, brackets for supported Intel and AMD chipsets, and other accessories required for installation. There's no included RGB, so you'll have to fetch one yourself if you wish to connect all RGB cables into one controller. Looking at the design, the EVGA CLCX looks just like any other black AIO cooler at first glance. The radiator has a thickness of 27mm, and with stock fans, this reaches to 50mm in total. On either side of the aluminum radiator, you'll find EVGA branding. The tubes are 400mm in length in total, and they come braided for additional protection. The top of the pump includes an LCD screen along with some more branding. A nice detail here is the rotation of the tubes to about 90 degrees, which can help make the installation easier. In performance, the EVGA CLCX 360mm outclasses all of its competition with ease, surpassing the cooling of competitors like Corsair iQ H115i Elite. This cooler should be able to maintain your temperature in long gaming sessions under 70 degrees Celsius. On the downside, though, the acoustics are not that great, and you can start to clearly hear the fan noise under workload. You can obviously optimize this by changing the fan speed to your liking, opting out of the default PWM functionality. For customization, you're going to have to download the CLCX software from EVGA. This allows you to control the LCD screen, giving you the option to change the details you wish to display, or even GIFs. The software can also be used to customize the fan speed and lighting, and you can switch between various lighting effects per your preference. The installation is quite simple, and with the braided tubes along with 90-degree rotation, you can easily move around the cables to make it easy and comfortable for yourself. You'll find brackets for AMD AM4 and AM5 inside the box. There's no bracket for TR4, however, it does support it. Intel support includes the standard LGA 1700, 1200, and 115X series. Thermal paste comes pre-applied, so you don't have to worry about applying the right amount of thermal paste. Finally, EVGA CLCX comes in 3 different radiator sizes, 280, 240, and 360mm, making it compatible with various PC cases. The cooler weighs around 1,000 grams in total, so it is relatively on the lighter side. In short, the EVGA CLCX is a cooler that's targeted at maximum performance while also following the new trends to ensure it fits right in. All this makes it the ideal cooler for the 7950 X3D. Ratings: Design and Aesthetics, 8.5 out of 10. Cooling Performance, 9.5 out of 10. Noise, 8 out of 10. Installation, 9 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10, for an overall rating of 9 out of 10. There's plenty more to enhance your PC experience. Check out more of our videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you get the most out of your setup.